Morning scrappers. Got my little boy with me. Look at this. Look at this little trolley. What do you reckon, Luca?
What trolley?
Look at this little trolley.
Where?
Yeah. This one.
Little trolley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
wait.
get that one.
This is aluminium.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. Alloy.
yeah.
Take that. Still have a bit of stuff left over. What a find. It's a doggy up there, is it? Hey, that's a chain. That's a nice chain. Look at that. What else? What? Car battery. And nice little trolley. How's that for a first stop? What was that?
The chair's broken.
The chair's broken. What is this trolley for?
Cut like bang, 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 bang. Someone did that.
Not sure what that's for.
There's dogs up there. Let's see.
It's heavy steel. Alrighty. Let's keep going. Let's get to the next one.
No way.
What?
It's actually a car.
That's like an AMG. How cool is that?
Yeah, you need an AMG.
Huh?
You need that car right there. You need it.
That's a cool car, hey?
What's this?
What is that?
What's inside it? Let's see.
There's nothing inside it.
That's wet. It's wet.
Nice transformer in this.
No, I'm not touching that.
Pioneer.
Look how the wheel is.
Pioneer's always good. There's some nice things
And
in
there's
it.
so much wood in it.
Is there?
Yeah, it's like a
Do you want this car?
Yeah, but there's
Oh, the steering wheel's not there.
Yeah.
Oh, the
That's
steering
the
wheel's
thing.
broken.
That's why you can't have it.
Oh man, it's a
But now
cool.
it's there because you made it with me. I'm not gonna squeeze in and get this full. There's someone stole from us, okay?
What is it? Oh, there you go. You got a footy.
Yeah.
Footy.
I'm gonna put this in the car.
Okay.
Put it in the car. Do you need this wheel? It looks fun.
No, we don't need that wheel.
I like this wheel.
You like the wheels, yeah? What is that? Is that aluminium? No.
Dad, look at this. Dad, what's this?
That's a seat.
Uh,
Alright, that's pretty much it for this.
Alright, Dad, let's see if this wheel's flat.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, but something's wrong.
It's a cool car, except
Yeah, it is.
that the steering wheel's broken.
Yeah, and there's a flood.
Yeah, there's water.
I
Alright, let's get to the next one.
And that's broken right here.
Yeah,
So that's why you can't have it. And this one's almost broken.
All right,
That's why you're not
let's
having
keep going.
it. Okay. No one can drive in the middle, so they're not allowed to go past.
It's a compressor.
Oh, that's possible. The prawn! There's the
Don't
prawn.
yell. What are you yelling for? Don't yell. Look at that. It's a compressor.
That looks sick while you're grabbing that.
There we go. Nice motor.
A basketball court.
Plastic basketball. There you go.
You need
I think
that.
we're gonna take this
Let's
one.
grab it. You need to grab it.
No,
Grab this, Peter.
we're gonna grab this.
That's all you need.
Yeah, that's all we need.
I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, you're gonna help me? Good boy. Alright, stop there. I'm gonna put this down.
This will be very heavy.
Are you this strong? Alright, give it to me. Ready? Set, go. Whoa. Good boy. That's a few dollars right there. Hey,
Yeah.
easy money.
I think this is on the break your here.
There we go.
This been carrying this a lot of
Let's
stuff
go on to the
for
next
the
one.
past years. Now, can I sit here while you? This is a very, very long pile.
Look at that washing machine. Rims.
Oh,
Alloy
these are
rims. 1, 2, 3 alloy rims. What?
These are pumped up a lot.
Yeah.
Ah,
How good of a find is that?
hurting my bum.
And a washing machine.
What's this stuff?
No, don't take that out. Don't take it out.
No, I'm gonna stop saying
Alright, let's grab the cords. Hey, a Nerf bullet. There you go. Man, gotta grab these rims. What? How's that? How's that?
People know I can't drive.
Alright, stay there while I put these in here.
Don't do that.
This one.
Daddy,
Yeah.
remember when the person's wheel fall off? That's what happens to Mum. Oh, God. That's what happened to Mum. The wheel fell off, but then it's on 50. Like one of Mum's friends. Oh,
Okay.
let me see.
It's 2 and this is number 3. So that's easy.
Dad, put
Easy
that wheel
money.
right there. Put that wheel in the front.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. If you say so, boss.
That has a lot of space there.
How's that?
Good, but let me look at one more thing. I think I can
We didn't bring our drill with us,
shoot.
so we can see.
Dad, I found a TV. Found a massive TV.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah,
I found a massive
it's one of the round ones.
There's a massive TV right here.
Okay. We'll come back. We're gonna go to a farm. We're gonna get a trailer and we'll come back, yeah? Let's go. Come on.
You're not going to the farm.
How's
You're
that?
going home. Look at this.
Is there like a small little barbecue?
Has rocks. Look.
Yeah, that's charcoal. Hey, this is nice little.
I just banged my head on this stupid train.
Did you? Are you okay?
Yes. Potato.
Hmm?
Potato. But there's nothing in it.
What's this guy's name?
Bob the Builder.
Is it Bob the Builder?
Yeah.
He's all broken up though, look.
No. I don't want
He's all torn apart.
Wait, there's Thomas the Train.
No,
Thomas the Train.
just leave it.
Thomas the Train's not broken.
It's all wet, Luca.
It's not wet. Thomas the Train. Not
Alright. We've got plastic.
What's that?
What's under there?
Dad, I found something. What's this?
There's nothing there. That's from the bowls. You know bowling?
Yes.
That's what that is.
I'm stepping all over mud.
There's a bit of steel there. Tool.
I think I can find some good stuff for you.
Alrighty, let's go. Let's go to the next one. Come on. Yeah, is there a bike for you? Look, there's a bike for you.
I told you this good stuff.
See?
Look at those cars.
Ah, the brakes are broken on it.
Oh,
Hello. Hey, good, how are you? Nah, the brakes are broken on the bike.
what's this? Dad, what's this?
What's what?
This.
Cord.
Paintbrushes. No paint.
Oh, there's some fire extinguishers. Are they used? Oh, this one is used. What about this one? It's a fire extinguisher. This could be handy. We'll take this one.
I don't want to take that.
Yeah, that one's empty though. Don't worry about them. Alright, that's it. Let's go. Come on.
No, I found some more good stuff for you.
That's it.
Maybe this stuff.
There's no more. Couple of scooters. Couple of aluminium scooters. They look pretty cool too, actually. Razor. Might be able to sell those. That's got a flat spot. Green luck. Look at this. Porsche cordless drill. And a charger. Wow. That's just lucky, eh? I was saying, I think it's from Shelby. I don't know if that's stainless. Is it stainless? Let's see. Where is my magnet? How's that, eh? Bosh. Magnet, where's my magnet? No, it's not stainless. I'll come back for all this, I think. Alright, we'll come back. As we're pretty full. It's been an awesome morning. Alright guys, so we're home now. We're gonna call it the morning. What do you reckon? It's been an exciting half hour. As you can see, the leaves are starting to fall here in Melbourne.
Not Melbourne.
So the cold is around the corner. The winter, the snow is almost here, which means a lot less street scrapping, I guess. But nonetheless, it's been an awesome morning. We'll have a look if this works. 3 rims, some aluminium, battery, some more this fire extinguisher, compressor, Not a bad run at all. Thank you for joining us on the streets of Melbourne, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.